And here we can use our iPhone with our eye. To enable this feature on your iPhone, make sure to update your iPhone to iOS 18 or newer version. Now go to your iPhone settings and tap on accessibility. In here, you have to tap on eye tracking and enable eye tracking option. And now you have to follow this dot to complete your eye tracking. Once you successfully finish your eye tracking setup option, now you can easily control your iPhone with your eye. And note one thing, that this eye tracking is not accurate. So sometimes you may face error, or if you want to open your Photos app with your eye, this feature can open another app. So let's try to open our camera app. So as you can see, it's not accurate. Just focus your eye on the app that you want to open or use. Okay, now you can easily go ahead and use your iPhone with your eye, just like so. Thanks for watching.